Hi everyone, as you all know, I am Rohini Patil and today I will be taking you all to Chapora Fort. This beautiful fort of Chapora got popularized by the movie Dil Chahta Hai starring Amir Khan and Saif Ali Khan, and this fort is now a major attraction in Goa. If you wanna know about the location of this fort, please watch the video till the end. The fort sits on the prominent position which commands view in all the directions, which also has steep slopes on all the sides. It was built by Adil Shah, the 17th Sultan of the Adil Shahi dynasty. Yes, as you all listen to the name Adil Shah, we all will definitely remember the world famous Bijapur's Gol Compass. If possible, do visit this famous monument as it is the largest dome in India. Anyways, coming back to Chapora Fort, which was built by Adil Shah. It was initially called as Shahapoora and then altered as Chapora by Malvankar on the request of Portuguese. In 1683, the Marathas made this place as their base camp when they tried to end the Portuguese rule in Goa, and hence it became the northern outpost of the old conquest. After the Portuguese recovered from the encounter with the Marathas, they strengthened their northern defense and provided shelter to the people over there. Across the Chapora River, the Hindu ruler of Pernam, the Maharaja of Savantwadi, who was the old enemy of Portuguese, held the fort for 2 years. Later, when Portuguese came back in 1770, they carried out extensive repairs of the fort, adding features like bastions and a tunnel that extended to the seashore and banks of the Chapora River for emergencies. In this Chapora Fort, you can also witness a nice scenic view of sunset, take pictures, roam around, and enjoy with your friends and family. This fort is located in northern part of the Goa, which is around 20 kilometers from the capital city, Panji. This whole stretch is a famous tourist attraction. You can visit Resmovas Fort, Sinquarium Beach, Kandolin Beach, Kalangut and Baga Beach, as well as Vegetar and Anjuna as well. Along with all these, the famous Para Coconut Tree Road and the Snow Park is also very close. Hope you all loved my video and found it informative. I'll meet you all again with another. Until then, take care and keep loving me. Don't forget to